In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the menu bar in Google Slides. This feature is incredibly handy if you want a cleaner workspace or need more screen space to focus on your presentation. So, let's dive right in and find out how you can easily toggle the visibility of the menu bar with just a few simple actions. First, you'll need to have your Google Slides presentation open. Once you have that ready, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the menu bar. It's that row right at the top of your screen where you see the options like File, Edit, View, and more. This is the part of the interface that you can easily hide to give you more room to work or present without distractions. Now let's talk about how you can actually hide it. If you're someone who loves using keyboard shortcuts, I've got just the trick for you. On a Windows computer or Chromebook, simply press Ctrl, Shift, and F all at the same time. If you're using a Mac, it's just as easy. Use Command, Shift, and F instead. It's like magic. Pressing these keys together will instantly hide that menu bar for you. If you prefer using the mouse over keyboard shortcuts, there's an alternative method. Look at the very top of your screen, right near the menu bar, and you'll spot an arrow icon. This icon typically points upwards when the menu is displayed, and the tooltip might say something like, "Hide the menus." Clicking on this arrow icon will achieve the same effect as the keyboard shortcut. It hides the menu bar so you can focus more on your slides. So, now that you've hidden the menu bar, you might be wondering how to get it back when you need it. Don't worry, it's just as simple as the hiding process. If you've used the keyboard shortcut to hide the menu bar, simply press the same key combination again. For Windows and Chromebook users, that's Ctrl, Shift, and F. For Mac users, remember, it's Command, Shift, and F. This will bring back that handy menu bar right where it was. For those of you who clicked the arrow to hide the menus, you'll notice the arrow icon will now be pointing downwards, indicating that the menus are hidden. Just click on that icon again, and voila! The menu bar reappears, ready for you to use all the familiar options once more. And there you have it, a straightforward way to toggle the menu bar in Google Slides to suit your needs. Whether you're presenting or just want a tidier look while working, these quick actions can make a big difference. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy presenting!